Okay, we are all wrapped up. It's all clean. And we are ready to start drying. You can see there's the granite that we were able to save. It's equivalent of about 2 slabs of granite. You can see the containment, all the plastic. Just kind of do a little walk around here. There you go. And if you look up, you can see we even added a ceiling on here. And the ceiling, nice thing about that, these ceilings are 15 feet high, and we reduced the height down to about 9 feet, which in turn helps us to decrease the amount of volume or space that needs to be dried, so we can dry a lot faster. And the floor here, this is almost a terracotta type tile. You can see where some of the water had damaged that, but you can see that we are also able to save most of it. And we'll be back out here once a day, monitoring everything, making sure that we're drying. You can see down here, these are water lines, and we have the water draining into a sink in the laundry room right now. But the entire room here is completely sealed off to allow everything to get clean and dry.